Brigit is designed to help users manage short-term money needs, but whether it is worth keeping after 90 days depends on how often you use its tools and whether they actually solve your financial problems. After using Brigit over a longer period, the main things to evaluate are the app experience, usefulness, costs, and whether it fits your everyday money habits. The first thing to look at is how Brigit fits into your routine. A money app only creates value if it helps you make better decisions with your finances. If you open it regularly, understand the information it provides, and use the tools available, it may feel more useful over time. If you download the app but rarely check it, the value becomes much lower. The best way to judge Brigit is to compare what you get from the app with how often you actually use it. The second area is the user experience. A financial app needs to be simple because people usually check these tools when they need quick information. The process of connecting your information, reviewing your account details, and navigating the app can affect whether you want to keep using it. A good 90-day review is not just about the first impression. It is about whether the app continues to be useful after the excitement of trying something new disappears. The third thing to consider is your personal situation. Brigit may be helpful for some users, but it is not designed to replace a complete budgeting plan or solve every financial challenge. Your income, spending habits, and money goals determine whether the app makes sense for you. Before deciding to keep or remove Brigit, check how often you use it, what problems it helps you solve, and whether the app provides enough value for your needs. The biggest points from a 90-day review are that consistent use matters, the app experience affects long-term value, and your own financial situation determines whether it is a good fit. The practical next step is to review your last few months of using Brigit and decide whether it has made managing your money easier. For more honest app reviews and simple money guides, like the video and subscribe.